Today we see Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle B is 90 degree and AC is the hypotenuse of this triangle, and AB and BC are two other sides. According to Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Now we draw BD perpendicular AC for prove this. In the previous video of question based on right triangle, we already proved that triangle ADB is similar with ABC and BDC is also similar with ABC, and both these two smaller triangles are also similar to each other. But here we use 2 out of 3 to prove this theorem. At first, given is ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle ABC is 90 degree and AC is hypotenuse. Construction: draw BD perpendicular AC. At first you also mention to prove AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. And now in proof, at first we select triangle ADB and triangle ABC. ADB and ABC, angle A is common and angle D is equal to angle B equal to 90 degree. Then triangle ADB is similar with triangle ABC. Look here, in triangle ADB and triangle ABC, angle A equal to angle A common and angle ADB equal to angle ABC equal to 90 degree. Therefore triangle ADB is similar with triangle ABC by a corollary of similarity criteria. Therefore we know that if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. Then we use here AB by AC equal to AD by AB, AD by AB. Therefore AD into AC, AD into AC equal to AB square. Equation first. See again, at first we go in triangle ADB and ABC and then in triangle BDC and ABC. Means for proof Pythagoras theorem, at first you draw a triangle ABC and then BD perpendicular AC, and now you have 3 triangles, 2 small and 1 whole, and now you go one small triangle and a whole triangle ADB and ABC, and then you obtained AD into AC equal to AB square, because in question AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square लाना है. So we use AB. We see here AB is in this. At first we select AB because you need AB. So ADB triangle is similar with ABC. Then AB is selected from here. Then AC from the other side. Then AB by AC. And AB is again in this side here. So AB is at this position. Then AD is taken from this side. Then AD by AB. Means you must note that you want AB square. Then you look here, AB is here, then you select AC from this side, and another side AB is here, then you select AD, then AB by AC is equal to AD by AB, and now by cross you obtained AD into AC is equal to AB square, and this is the first equation. Now in triangle BDC and ABC, angle C equal to angle C common, because both have angle C. This angle is common in both triangle, and angle BDC equal to angle ABC equal to 90 degree. Therefore triangle BDC is similar with ABC also by a corollary or similarity. Therefore now B need BC square. So B, look here, BC is here, then BC by AC equal to, now BC is in this side here, then BC is here, then we select DC by BC. Therefore DC into AC is equal to BC square, equation second. And now we add equation first and 2, because we need AB square plus BC square. Now on adding equation 1 and 2, we get AD into AC plus DC into AC is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now we see here AC is common in both terms, so AC is common, and now we obtained AD plus DC is equal to AB square plus BC square. From figure, AD plus DC is whole AC into AC is equal to AB square plus BC square, and now AC into AC is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So the square of the hypotenuse of right angle triangle is equal to the sum of squares of the other two sides, and this is the Pythagoras theorem.